Okay. Hello, everyone. This is Josh here. Yeah, it's upcoming. So this is for the upcoming week market analysis. So we are already now almost close to mid of September. So the analysis will be for the upcoming week, 21st of September until the 25th of September. So this is the week after FOMC. So let's get started for the market analysis. So as usual, I will always start from Aussie dollar, which is A. Start from the alphabet A, right? Okay. So first, let's get started. Okay. So AUD USD, what the market tells us is the market basically overall still in uptrend. So this is our key line, okay, key line. So in the daily time frame, okay, daily time frame, what I'm expecting is the first Aussie is going to drop first, okay, Aussie is going to drop. So until over this level, I will look for my banker side to take my order and seeing the advance of possibility. So after banker side form, I need to verify it as well, okay, verify it and then placing the proper stop loss for me. So Aussie dollar currently stuck in the middle, so I will not going to do anything. I will just wait until the market reach this level, then I'll be notified my members as well. So for my members, I'll be notified when the market reaching here, and I will be looking into it, how it forms, how it works. Then I'll be update in the group. Okay, so the next will be Aud cat. Okay, Aud cat, as we can see, market reaching. Okay, let's look into day one. Okay, so market did really touch the highest resistance. Okay, this is the resistance level. It touches, and then most of the seller came in. Okay, seller did came in, as you can see in the latest market. That at the latest market did really touch this level, resistance level, and the seller came in. Okay, so what does this movement tell us? Okay, what does this movement tell us is seller did came in. Okay, seller did really came in, but the market still overall a buy trend. Okay, still overall buy trend. That's why where I expected to have a buy, I be looking to a smaller time frame to took my buy order. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so over here, I be expecting this level to have my buy, okay, to have my buy. So for members, I believe that you know where should you place your buy order and where you should place your stop loss. Okay, of course, the stop loss, I will advising we going to wait for new banker sign to come in and we can place it by using that. Okay. So always remember, usually Monday market, okay, Monday market will more on retracement, okay, more on retracement market. So the next, okay, let's see Aussie yen, okay, Aussie yen. So a lot of people, I know that I get notified by someone that a lot of people saying that this shoulder, head shoulder, then a lot of people going to buy, but at the last market drop. Why? Okay, why market drop is because this is not a shoulder. You should confirm the shoulder. That's why, if I believe that my student we took sell and then we are having profit because we know the trend very well. Okay, we know the trend very well. So if you really want to buy, please confirm it, okay, by using your method, okay, by using method. So for the upcoming market, we can see the market is going to drop as well, okay. So the first level, I'm going to see the market is moving until of course, this support level, okay. That's why we wait for a retracement first, a retracement until this high, and I'm going to look for a short order. I'm not going to take any trade over this area because it's too risky because of the risk. Okay, the risk is not worth it and not worth for the risk. Then the next will be Aussie Swiss franc. Okay, so Aussie Swiss franc, what did the market just happen? Okay, so as we can see, this is so-called a flag pattern. This is a flag pole, and the market struggle, and then until the last market breakout. Okay, so from this breakout, we can expecting the market is going to be advanced soon. Okay, be advanced. Of course, this is a very good level for us to go in for buy. So buy here, exit here. As you can see, this is a range. Of course, you can be very greedy, which is you buy somewhere here and you're going to TP here or here. But ask yourself, can you withstand when the market, where you're buying here, but when the market reaching here, you not exit, the market come back to here, you not exit, and then a seller came in, push you down. Can you withstand the force or not? Can you withstand the pressure or not? So ask yourself. And then another thing will be, another one is Aussie New Zealand. So basically Aussie New Zealand, okay, I expecting it going to retrace high, and I will be seeing a downside. Okay, retrace high, and we're going to see a downside. Okay, so if I look into H4, okay, so this is the level. Okay, so there's two possibility in this chart. First, touch here and drop, and then second one, touch until this level and drop. But I think that this level will be much more high possibility, touch and drop. Okay, the next will be into gold. Okay, so gold basically, gold is still in an uptrend. Okay, gold is still in an uptrend. Okay, gold is still in an uptrend. So I'm seeing at this key line, my members. Okay, this is my key line level. Okay, I believe that everyone know why I'm placing my key line over here, especially for my members. Okay, this is our key line level. So the story have been told us that everything is going to advance soon. Okay, so the same thing, market going to touch here and advance, or even can the worst case can touch here, but lastly it's going to go up as well. So I'm going to see these two levels. Every level that I will look for entry, I will look for banker confirmation. Yeah, banker sign. And next will be our GBP pair. Okay, GBP pair. Okay, so GBP basically for first GBP USD is still in a downtrend. So as last week, so for those who have watched my FOMC market analysis video, I told that this level is going to be a lot of traders came in. As you can see, the day was FOMC when we analyzing the market was here. FOMC bring the market down, and then the second day market bring it up again, and seller bring it down again, just because of the critical point. Okay, this is the critical point of seller. Okay, this is seller critical point. That's why overall for GBUSD is still in a sell trend, in a downtrend. Okay, even though maybe some of you will think, oh, market going high and high, but actually entire thing was still in sell. That's why once you understand this critical point very much, you'll be very easy going with the trend. Okay, so currently I expecting market to go up until here and have a drop. Okay, and have a drop. So in the middle, not going to do anything by just observing. Next, GBP or C. Okay, GBP or C. So this level, same situation, why market would drop is because of critical point. Okay, it's because of critical point. So any high price, look for short. Okay, with any price, high price, we will look for short position. Next, GBP CHF. Okay, my key line over here. Okay, same thing for GBP CHF. Advance to here, drop. Okay, this is my key line level, banker confirmation. Next will be GBP CAD. Okay, so GBP CAD, same thing. Okay, same thing. That let me erase those things first. Too messy. Okay, so as you can see, this is the key level. Okay, key level. That's why for now, okay, I'll be expecting market to retrace to this high and drop. Everything still in a downtrend. Maybe you'll be seeing or like an uptrend. Same thing going to downtrend. By just understanding the critical point. If you're not understanding what is critical point, feel free to contact with us. Okay, feel free to contact with us. As our strategy, our knowledge is keep on updating, keep on upgrading. So I will be helpful. I will be helping my members as well, and to keep on refreshing themselves. So if you're really interested in being our student, in being our members, one of our members, please contact us, okay? And then also, if you wanted to know what's critical point, you may feel free to contact with us, and we'll be schedule a consultation hours with you. So GBP, JPY, same thing, okay? So this will be might be a very long waiting, which is wait until here and drop. So this GB yen. So as we can see that most of the market is in the situation of waiting it to retrace, okay, to retrace. This also at the very bottom level, of course, this support level, there's a lot of buyer attract in, okay, but in my advice, I'm not going to buy. I let the buyer do the work and I look for a sell opportunity, okay. So next go to Euro. Okay, the next will be Euro. Okay, Euro, what that happening? Okay, Euro basically we can see market is strong buyer in this level. Okay, but now market is in this seller zone. Okay, in the seller zone, so the seller will bring the market down again. Okay, bring the market down again, and then expecting buyer bring it up again. Overall, okay, in the bigger time frame, that Euro USD is still in an uptrend market, okay, it's still in an uptrend market, but just currently trapped in the range, okay, trapped in the range. Another Euro GBP, Euro GBP, same thing. Be waiting for here. Wait until here and go up. Okay. Euro OC. Oh, Euro OC. Okay. You can see the market keep on climbing up and up and up, and then critical point already break. Okay, critical point of seller. Okay, guys, seller critical point already break. That's why we can see upside is now safe. Okay, so upside we can see until this level. Okay, so where should I look for my buy entry? Of course, you can buy anyway, sell anyway, but just the difference is the risk. Okay, so I'm looking at this level to have my buy order. Okay, so for this, we can see that this is a very strong key level here. This is critical point. Okay, market broke. Okay, so currently seller is still in control basically. Okay, seller is still in control. So here you can expecting a big sharp drop. Okay, a drop. Euro CHF. Okay, so Euro CHF basically as we have analyzed just now, Aussie CHF, GB CHF, and now goes to Euro CHF. Every pair that pair with CHF telling us that CHF is in weakening, and then those who are in base in strengthening. Okay, so for this, I expecting this key line, I can look for a buy. Okay, so for those, if you don't know how to place key line, please don't place it, okay, simply, because there's a rules of placing key line. There's a tons of story that can be happen at the key line. Okay, so I expecting this key line to have my buy. So if you really wanted to learn, okay, please contact us. Okay, contact us or visit our website. Okay, visit our website. Later on, you can see on the, this is a YouTube video, there's a link below. You can click on that link and it will be view on our website. Okay, and next will be Euro NZD. So Euro NZD basically looking for drops. Okay, looking for drop. Yeah, drop. New Zealand dollar. Yeah, New Zealand dollar. So market reaching a seller zone. Can you see? The market reaching a seller zone. That's why next week, okay, even though, okay, for New Zealand dollar, it can drop until of this level, and then even though it dropped until this level, it's still in the uptrend. Okay, market is still in the uptrend. But if the thing that I want from here, then I will look for sell until of this level. Okay. So currently for New Zealand dollar, we still need to depend on the Monday market, see how it's going to open. Okay, is it open here or there's a gap drop? Okay, or gap drop. If there's a gap drop, so I can see it going down until this level. This level definitely there's a lot of seller there, but in the trend wise, still in an uptrend. Next will be New Zealand CAD. Okay, New Zealand CAD mostly the same thing or buyer eyesight. Okay, New Zealand CHF, same thing. This system. This is a potential key line. Okay, so need to observe for the market first. New Zealand yen. Okay, cool. Is it in a drop? Okay. To be honest, that the entire New Zealand dollar is still in a downtrend. Okay, it's still in a downtrend. As we can see, low, lower low. There's no new higher high. That's why still in a downtrend. Okay, still in a downtrend. So any high price look for a sell will be much more better. Next will be CAD or CHF yen. Okay, just now we have talked about Euro CHF, Aussie CHF, GBP CHF, and NZD CHF. Every that pair telling us is an uptrend. So let's look into CAD CHF. So CAD CHF, what I can see is, okay, a potential of shoulder, head, shoulder is going to form. Okay, but just market is trapping here. So a better option is wait for the market can break higher, retest, and we can go above, go much more higher. Then another thing is CAD yen. CAD yen, yes, drop. Wait for a retrace, drop. Okay, so CHF as well, as you can see, CHF here showing down. So we wait for retrace and drop. I believe that many people will be seeing this, oh, crazy strategy, the love ever, the most love ever, which is pin bar strategy. Seeing a pin bar, going to buy and being slaughter. So don't blindly just see a pin bar and go for buy. Okay, don't simply see a pin bar. As you can see, oh, pin bar, but it market drop. Don't simply go in because of pin bar. As you can see, pin bar should buy, but lastly drop. Okay, lastly also drop. So don't just depend on a pin bar and you go into it. You kill yourself. Okay, the last will be USD pair. There's so much of method that I wanted to teach you guys, but I cannot conduct it just in free. Okay, to be honest, okay, everything costs. Even though how I train my skill today, I cost how many thousand. I believe that some of you guys have know that. That's why today we did really prepare a free class for everyone. Okay, so if you want the free class, just click on the link below. We'll be updating you the date and time. Okay, a free class, just click on the link below. There's a mention like free class link. So click on the free class link. You'll be added in a group. Okay, so when there's a free class, we'll be updating you to join our class. Okay, to see how this simplest ever method could ever help you in your trading future. Okay, so USD CAD basically still in an uptrend. Okay, because they wanted to, still in the downtrend, but I think the very high potential for market to break up. Why? Because a lot of people seeing this pin bar and they going to sell. Once they go for sell, okay, because they go for a sell, that's why this market bring it up. A lot of seller actually trap. So next week I expecting dollar going to strengthen back, get strengthened, bring the market high. Okay, bring the market high. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, USD JPY also dropped to the bottom ever. Okay. Of course, it's still in the downtrend, but this is a very good sign that market is going to advance, because as we know that the bottom is the highest numbers of buyer. Okay, as we can see, this is the bottom. So we'll be looking for a setup over here, guys. Okay, look for a setup. If there's setup, then we can go in for it. Okay, so make sure there's a setup, then we go in. Okay, this is the same thing as well. Okay, market is advancing, so can advance until here. This will be attract the most seller. Okay, so USD CHF we can expecting for buy. Okay, of course. Okay, buy is a counter trend, but in this situation the counter trend is doing good. Okay, the counter trend is doing good. That's why seller is the most seller will be waiting here. Okay, so if you want to be a seller, wait here. Okay, so at the last step, I would like to say thank you for watching until the end. Okay, so if you're really interested in our members, okay, members, so WhatsApp this number. Okay, please WhatsApp this number. Okay, or click on the link below that below this video. We'll be assisting you. We will be assisting you in the future as well, and we'll be giving you a free course. Okay, this free course will be updating when it's time, what's the date. Okay, mostly will be conduct at October. Okay, October is a Zoom live. Okay, Zoom live, private live. So I'll be seeing you in my class. Okay, and safe trade.